Good day everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa Amadeo, Cavite to film itong 617 square meters property with the 4 bedrooms and a guest room. Alright, you have your 4-car port and then you have a swimming pool. You have a 4-bedroom house. Of course, you have a built area. And then ito pong pinaka-entertainment area. Lush green. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button, share our videos and your immediate extended and large family looking at property here in the Philippines. Now, right here, look at that. So your entertainment area. So this is a fully furnished. No, anything you see stays. Then you have your 8-seaters dining table. Then your swimming pool. Then the house. Right, so tingnan natin. So you have your patio area. Look, ang ganda oh. Of course, you have your main door, you have your billiard area, teppanyaki. And then the main entrance. Okay, pasukin natin sa loob. Upon entry, so your living area, your dining area, breakfast nook. Of course, you have your 8-seaters dining table. Then, look at the kitchen, the living area, then the powder room. Of course, you have a bedroom doon sa side niyan, which so dito sa side na to, you have the dirty kitchen and then additional shower room to sa side. Then, ito yung access papunta sa swimming pool. Okay, tignan natin yung first bedroom. First is the powder room. Right, under stairs. Then, this is the first bedroom with a bathroom, with a cabinet. Spacious, right? Then, dito sa side ito. Tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda. Wow. Okay, then the shower. So, with water heater, wash area, water closet. Okay. So, 4 months old property. Right? Natin sa itaas. Imagine, ang ganda ng view. Right. Shoutout po sa lahat ng ating mga viewers, avid fan, at naghahanap ng magagandang property dito po sa Cavite. Right? My name is Ray. Yan po. So dito sa dito you have 3 rooms with 2 bathrooms. So this is the 3rd bedroom. So you have bed, aircon, and a shower with a cabinet. Look at that. Okay, then right here, the 3rd room. You have a cabinet, you have 2 bed, aircon. Alright, so fully functional. Then this is the last bedroom. But before that, so right here you have a common bathroom. Okay, then the last bedroom. Nice ceiling design. You have a cabinet. You have 3 beds and a front balcony. Then fronting dito sa swimming pool. Look. Perfect. Okay. Right. So ganito yung paligid natin. Ang ganda oh. Alright. So location natin, barangay. Alright. Dito lang sa Amadeo, Cavite. It's 5 minutes to Tagaytay. Right. Sa paligid dito, ang daming mga resort at ang daming mga farmhouses. Right. So thank you so much and I hope to see you in our next one. God bless everyone.